what I do, because I'm old school, is I create, like my friend played quarterback in the NFL and they have wristbands. I just stole his little idea. I go to Office Depot or Office Max. They're not paying me, Staples, whatever, wherever. And most of these 3-ring binders are the big ones. There's a half one. So what is that, 5x7 or whatever? I buy a 5x7 3-ring binder, ideally an inch thick, and then I buy a little clip. So again, this is super, what do they call that when you're rigging it up? I'm rigging it up. I do the clip on the binder so the binder holds itself perfectly with a tilt so I can see it. And then I have all of my scripts, my follow-up script, my closing script, the you have the contract but haven't signed it script on that, and it's a flip chart in paper. And so then when I'm making those calls, I just flip to that page and I'm looking at it on paper, right? And it becomes a whoopee. And even though I have it memorized, by the way, you guys don't realize this, the quarterbacks have those plays memorized. That whoopee makes them feel a lot better to be able to see it. And they're like X-ray 42, tiki torch. They know it a lot better. So that's how I do it. In the CRM, I think it's just could get too much confusing, and then that book, it's just when it's on paper, it's just easy to see, it's easy to read. I set it right under my monitor right there, and then boom. What do we talk about these in eastonuniversity.com as air traffic control cards. Those are your scripts. There should also be an air traffic control card for the questions that you want to ask somebody when you have a conversation going. What research have you done on us? Where are you at now in terms of top line revenue? Where do you want to be, right? Like those, you have certain questions that you need to ask everybody. Those should also be on an air traffic control card sitting somewhere where it's within your field of vision.
You're the best, thanks.
No problem. Hey, it's Matt Easton, founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. If you like this video, and you want to learn how to close, I want to give you my closing mini masterclass for free. Click the link somewhere around here or just simply comment with the word closer and I will get you access to the closing mini masterclass. I'll cover the $299 cost for you. It's free to you.